Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chitra. I am a manifestation coach and healer. On this channel, I discuss manifestation, spirituality, and personal development. If you are interested in one-to-one coaching courses, coaching packages, all my details are in the description box. Do connect with us on the social media platforms, and you can connect on contact mentioned in the description box. In today's video, I'm going to share with you 10 success steps to make 2023 the best year of your life. In this video, I will be sharing very simple and practical knowledge with you so that you can implement them and you can get quick results. So, make sure you watch the video till the end. Let's quickly jump into this video. The number one success step that you need to learn is ask and you will be given. Look, this universe is just like the restaurant. When you go into the restaurant, waiter comes to you and hands over the menu card. Look at the menu card and you place the order. It's the same with the whole universe. You have the privilege to have permission. You have the right to get anything, everything available in the whole world. You have the right, everything is available at your fingertips. Just you need to ask for it. Once you ask for it, you will be given. Most people, why they are unsuccessful in their life, why they are not able to manifest their dream life, because they limit themselves. They believe that they are not worthy enough to ask for it. So don't make this mistake. If you want 2023 to be the best year of your life, if you want to manifest the dream life, whatever your dreams are, just ask for it from the universe. Don't ask how. It is universe's responsibility to give that thing to you. Just ask for it and from your heart do this thing. A second tip for the success is stop judging yourself. Stop seeking approval from people. Look, whole world, everyone in this world are judgmental. It is the basic nature for everyone and of everyone to judge the people. If you are to judge yourself, you are worthy enough to achieve the target or achieve something, big goals, whatever you are having, then you won't be able to have faith in yourself. See, just look at the successful people in the world. After they have become successful, everyone appreciates them. But if you look at their journey and if you take time machine or you can look back into their life, in their times, if you look at them, then the whole world would have criticized them. They would have said like, come on, this is something like very unreal. Why are you doing such things? Do get a job, do something that so that you will be getting some social status. So I'm not against job or anything or their work, but see, there are people who criticize. When you struggle or when you are trying to build your dream, don't seek approval from anyone else. Believe in yourself, and as I said, if you ask, you will be given. The only condition is you will have to believe in yourself. So please believe in yourself. You have the power, you have the capability to manifest your dream life. If something is available in this world, then you can also get it. Only thing is required is the belief. Number 3 success tip that I want to share with you is to say no when you mean it. Most people, what happens, they spend their time doing something that they don't like. And why they do? Because they are not able to say no. Please start saying no to the people, the things and the situations that don't want to be in your life, that don't serve you. Say no, learn to say no. And you find it difficult to say no because you feel guilty that you have hurt someone. It's not responsibility of yours to please everyone in this world, but it is the responsibility of yours to make yourself happy. If you are not happy or satisfied in your own life by yourself, please don't blame anyone else in your responsibility for making you happy. It is you and your responsibility to make yourself happy. So spend your time with yourself and say no to things that you don't want to do. The 4th success step is to be serious about the life and start setting priorities. Look, if you set serious things about your own life, definitely you will get the results. But why most people fail? Because they don't have the priorities. I will give you the simple example. Currently, the World Cup football is going on. There are many people who are watching. Now, I am not against the World Cup, but if you want to achieve the things, you don't have to pay attention to the kind of directions or this kind of distractions, and direct yourself towards the priorities. Now, you own your own life. If you want to watch it, you can, but your priorities are set. You have to miss these things. To achieve something, you have to pay a price. Don't invest your time in something that don't resonate with what things you are interested in having in your life. It is because the time is limited. We all have only 24 hours in a day. You cannot spend it on those things that are not important in your life. They are not taking your life forward. So please be serious about your life and please set priorities. That's very important. The fifth success step is build healthy habits and take continuous actions. One of the things that I want to share with you is, if you look at most of the successful people, what they do, they think that it is to be done right now. But most of the people who are unsuccessful or the normal people, what do? They think if you want to become something, then you have to rely on others. But what most of the people do is, if you want to become something, you have to work hard. But they think, or the people who are unsuccessful think, that the time will do everything. Basically, chasing success is not easy. They are not chasing excellence in that field. They are just chasing the unfulfilled wish, or it is a wishful thinking. So, to achieve something, you have to understand the limited period of time, take action and believe in yourself. For that, you have to definitely build the healthy habits. The healthy habits are the autopilot mode of your life that help you to take actions repeatedly on daily basis. And don't expect that only when you get success you will be taking actions. You will get a lot of success, but first you will have to ensure that you are strong enough having the foundation and have some kind of built healthy habits on which you can stick for a long period of the time. The sixth success step is bring clarity in life. See, there are people who work on their jobs or businesses or their life without any clarity where they are going. So, unless and until you're having any kind of a clarity, what do you want in your life? What do you age? What do you achieve? What do you benefit from your XYZ job or business or work or studies? You are not having a definite clarity. There are different ways to seek the clarity. You should have your own questionnaire. What do you learn? What do you seek from life? What are your goals? What are your clarity about? What are your achievements? You should be very clear what do you want to get into your life. So the most important thing you should have is the clarity. The seventh success step is express gratitude. Say thank you. You know what many of the people are getting the results from around the globe, around the universe, is thank you, thanking the universe, thank you for something that you already have. If you remember my video about the gratitude walk, I have explained you, thank for the things that you already have and thank for the things which you seek, assuming or getting sure about it that you already have it. So the gratitude is the biggest thing you can give it to the universe. So for the limited period of time of 24 hours, how to achieve things is to build the habit of gratitude. Many have got success. Many of my students have got success by just practicing gratitude. There are many students of mine who have got their desires, their manifestation just by expressing gratitude towards God or universe. It depends on all on you, but have the faith and belief and habit of gratitude. Gratitude is very crucial in your life. The eighth success step is express your love to others. Say I love you. You know what? I sometimes wonder, like in the world, how much time do you really have? You have no idea. You might die after 5 seconds. You might die after some time. You might die of accident. You might die of heart attack. You might die of anything. Why do you want to waste the time? There might be a natural calamity also, like earthquake or volcano. Life is so uncertain. You should bring that attitude of expressing yourself. Express your thoughts, love and desires to the people. Don't feel shy. There is nothing bad in that. There is nothing bad than having a feeling of regret. Be open. Open your heart. Open your thought. Say I love you. Please say I love you to the things you really appreciate to be there in your life. Please express yourself. Express yourself for the things which you really hold importance in your life. And if you want something to be received, please don't stop expressing. Believe me, this belief and the feeling is the secret to anything that you manifest. The 9th success step is choose your circle wisely. Look, you are the average of 5 people you spend the most time with. If you choose your circle who are not aligned to your goals, then subconsciously you are going to get tuned into that frequency whatever they are vibrating at. And if they are not getting the results, you will also not get the results. So if you want to spend time with them and then you are aiming to achieve your big dreams, it is highly impossible. So you have to understand that you have to be with the like-minded people to achieve your mindset. Unless and until you are in the frequency of the same like-minded people, you are not going to get any kind of success. So you have to choose your circle wisely. And the last tip is don't quit. See, it is very simple. The next year is going to arrive very soon. In the first week or this first month of January, everybody will come up with the New Year resolution. What do I say now? People will be like, I am ready for my dreams. I'm ready for my resolution. After first week or the first month of January, people start draining their energies and start quitting. And they will be like, I don't want. It is impossible. It is very difficult. Practically, you have to survive your life. You have to make it fruitful and meaningful till the December 2023. So, it is a persistence and perseverance of yours which will help you to manifest everything that you desire the next year. So, these are the main 10 success steps to make 2023 the best year of your life. Please do like, share and subscribe. Hit that subscription button and the notification bell so whenever I upload the next video, you will be notified for the wonderful content. Take care.